Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about missing addends. Today's objective: I will learn how to find a missing addend using addition up to 10. But first, before we start a new concept, we need to go over our vocabulary, and some of this is going to be review. Here's our equation, which we've seen before. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So let's go over what the numbers mean and the symbols. So this symbol is called a plus sign, and we know every time we see that plus sign, we are going to join or add numbers together. And this symbol is the equal sign. So that means that it is going to be the same. Whatever is on the left side of the equal sign is going to be the same as the right side. And we all know this one, it's the sum, or you can also call it the total. This is the number that we are usually trying to find in our equations. But not in this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be looking for the addend. So this is an addend, the number 3, and in this equation, the number 4 is also an addend. In this lesson, we are going to have one of them is going to be missing. So I have some strategies in order to learn how to find the missing addend. So my first strategy is to use a part whole mat. And that is what I like to use when I first start teaching missing addends. My next strategy is counting on with objects or pictures, and kids can also use their fingers. And the last strategy is using a number line. Strategy number 1, part whole mat. So here we have the mat, and we have the equation up at the top. It says 3 plus blank equals 5. So at the bottom part of the mat, where it says whole, we have some Unifix cubes. Now the Unifix cubes are going to match the total number, which is 5. So we have 5 Unifix cubes at the bottom. And the other number that we do know is one of our addends, which is this number, the number 3. So what we're going to do is we are going to move 3 of the Unifix cubes from the bottom to one of the parts. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to move 1, 2, 3. And what do we have left? We have some Unifix cubes at the bottom, and we're going to move those to the other part. So let's go ahead and move those. 1, 2. So our missing addend is 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Strategy number 2, counting on. We are going to count on with objects or pictures. So here we have the equation 2 plus blank equals 4. So first we're going to go ahead and put 2 balls. And then we do know the number 4, which is the sum. We are going to have to stop counting at the number 4. So first we're going to start counting from number 2 all the way to number 4. So let's see how many more balls do we need to get to the number 4. So we're going to start at 2, and then we're going to count on. Ready? 2, 3, 4. So how many did we add on? 2. You're right. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Strategy number 3, Numberline. So you can see that the equation is 5 plus blank equals 9. And at the bottom, I have a number line, and I already have my frog. He is going to be sitting at the number 5, which matches the addend, which is the one that we do know. And we are going to stop counting at this number, the number 9, which is the total. So we're going to start at number 5, and we are going to hop the frog over, and let's see how many times the frog hops. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. The frog hopped 4 times. So our missing addend is the number 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So the strategies that we learned today are using the part whole mat, counting on with objects or pictures, and using a number line. If you like watching videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up so that I know that you like watching videos like this. See you next time.